Yeah, I really enjoyed that.
Yeah, we should go see shows more often.
Okay, when I get that new promotion, maybe we'll be able to.
Well, hey, look, a pet store. Can we go in just for a second?
Okay, all right. Okay, we're just looking. We're not getting anything. Okay.
Hey. Yeah, you. Hey. I'm gonna fuck your wife. You heard me? I said I'm gonna fuck your wife.
Okay.
I know I'm a cat and I'm talking to you. Get over it. The point is, I'm gonna fuck your wife.
Why are you threatening to fuck my wife exactly?
Oh, it's not a threat. It's just a fact. I'm gonna fuck her.
Okay, well, that's just ridiculous. So.
Sure. If by ridiculous you mean I'm gonna put my ridic in her jewels.
Okay, that's just way inappropriate.
I don't know what to tell you, dude. I'm just gonna fuck her. End of story.
No, you're not. She's just gonna take a picture of you and then we're gonna leave and never see you again, okay? So.
Yeah, we'll see about that.
Oh, yeah, well, I guess we will because here she comes, okay?
I'll have it coming, all right.
What? Hey!
Okay, I got my camera. Let's take a picture of you.
Hey, honey, we're gonna have to leave soon if we want to catch Glee, so.
Oh, yeah.
So, what do you say? We should go now, because we can get some ice cream on the way.
Okay. Yeah, that sounds nice. All right. Bye, Kitty. Bye.
Bye.
I'm sorry, honey. I just really felt a connection to that kid.
What? Seriously?
Yeah. I don't know. I think we should buy him.
What? Really?
We can totally afford it. You're going to be getting your promotion soon. And you know what? I just feel like I need to do this.
But
okay, I'm going to go talk to the store owner. I'm just going to see how much it costs. All right? I'll be right back.
I'm not gonna say I told you so, but
Okay. Listen, even if we do end up buying you, which we're not, you're not gonna fuck my wife, okay? Because cats can't fuck people, so there.
not only do I beg to differ, I beg to effer. Get it? Effer. Not like fucker.
Yeah, I get it.
Imagine this ball of yarn is your wife.
Okay. That's gross. What?
They only want $100 for it.
Oh, good.
Oh, look at him playing with that yarn.
Yeah.
Oh, honey, he's purring. He loves me. Don't you love me, kitten? Oh, he loves me. Come here, kitty. Come here, kitty. Come here, kitty. Yes, come here, kitty.
fuck her.
All right. I won't fuck her. For a price.
What? Anything. I'll do anything.
Anything? All right. Every day I get to lick your penis.
Excuse me?
At least once a day, I get to lick your penis.
Jesus, no.
Then I'm gonna fuck your wife, dude.
Okay, please. Fine. Just please do not fuck my wife, okay?
All right. But first, I want to know what I'm paying for. So, first penis licking happens right here, right now. Just through the jeans. Just through the jeans.
Just the taste.
Just the taste. Just looking, come on. Yeah, that'll be good. All right, we have a deal.
Okay, but don't cats have like really rough tongues though?
Man, just put some fancy feast down there and it'll be a lot better for both of us.
They gave us a discount on all the supplies.
Oh, good. I'll pull the car around.
All right, Kitty, let's get you ready to go.
Hey. Yeah, you, hey.
Oh, what is it?
I'm gonna fuck your husband.
Excuse me?
You heard me. I said I'm gonna fuck your husband.
Oh, no, you're not. See, I'm going to have you all to myself.
Now?